All right, guys, we got some hail here in West Tennessee and Bruceton, Tennessee. It's probably about dime-sized hail or bigger. You see it on the car there. Obviously, you can hear it hitting off the top of the canopy here. Pretty good sized hail. It'll be, I see a piece on top of the car. It's gonna be like dime size probably, or close to it. This one right here, guys. Got some like dime size hail coming down here. It is 5:42 p.m. 5:42 p.m. That'll ding your car up a little bit. I think the worst hailstorm I ever saw was in Huntington, Tennessee back in the 90s. It was actually literally softball size hail. It was crazy. A big flash of lightning. Hopefully this hail moves on through pretty quick. Somebody backing in over there. I'm not sure what they're doing. Trying to get out of the hail, I guess. This little dime-sized hail, it's not really going to do a lot of damage to cars, I don't think. I mean, so far here, I know the hood on these cars is plastic and whatnot, but it sounds like it's starting to slack off just a little bit. The storm sirens were going off a bit ago. Still some pretty decent full-size balls of hail coming down. Try to keep it on the car where you can see them kind of bouncing off the car there. I think it's just about, hopefully, sounds like it's just about to stop with the hail, so. Pretty decent little rain though. Really no wind or anything, just rain and a little bit of hail still coming down. Not much. It's about quit now. There's some lightning back up there. It's going to be back toward the northwest. There's the thunder right behind it. Keep you up here real quick, see if we catch any of that lightning up there. I don't think it's cloud the ground or anything. Alright guys, I'm going to cut it off, and if anything changes, I'll jump back on and get you another video. I don't know if you can hear the storm sirens. They just started back up again. They've been going off, on and off intermittently. They're supposed to have been under a tornado warning for this area. They said until 6 o'clock, and it's 5:46 right now. We're getting more hail now, and now you can see the wind's picking up just a little bit. Oh yeah. Definitely loud. On top of that awning, We're going to walk out to the front porch. Walk through to the front here and see what we can hear up here. Hear that hail, buddy? Oh yeah, that's some big hail right there, guys. That's almost quarter-size hail right there, folks. That is like quarter-size hail. Look at that, guys. That will mess up a vehicle a little bit right there. Yeah, we're getting to golf ball size almost, guys. That is not good. That is not good at all. Look at that. He's bouncing off that truck pretty good. Oh, there's a big one right there. I'm not going to get over there real close. I don't want to get some of them bouncing off that truck and flying over here. And you got the wind blowing out of the west too. Not good. I don't know if you can hear it bouncing off that truck or not, guys, but it's like they're getting a little bit smaller, but there was definitely some $half size hail. See it right there, guys, on the porch. Somebody's trying to get to the house. If you got a carport, I definitely have your car underneath it. Of course, by this point, I don't guess it really matters. Say about $half size hail. The thunder there is back towards the east, or the southeast. And that thunder was more towards the west, the southwest. So we may have like two storms merging here from the west and the east. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off of here, and kicks up, I'll get you another video.